Hi, my name's Jeff. I'm an instructor at PingCap. You're here because you want to see how to create a serverless tier cluster using TiDB Cloud. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to go up here from the PingCap website. We're going to go to Try Free. And then from here, if you don't have an account, you'll create one. Notice it says no credit card required. Well, I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to sign in now. And what I'll do is sign in using Google. Perfect. Here we go. All right, you'll notice that I don't have any clusters, so we're going to create one. Now I'm given a choice between serverless tier and dedicated tier. In the free account, you'll only see this serverless tier, so that's what we're going to use. We're on AWS, and I always change the region from Northern Virginia to Oregon because it's a little bit cheaper. So that looks good. Let's go ahead and create our cluster. This will take around 20 seconds. It doesn't take so long that I'm going to edit this video to make it faster. We'll sit here and what you see is what you get. So one of the things that we'll do when this comes up is we will create a root password. And notice it's saying now that our cluster is available, and these fields will populate in just a second. There we go there. Alrighty, so let's go to create a password, security settings, and I'm just going to type one in case I want to use it. Something simple. Alrighty. Perfect. It'll take a few seconds for the password to propagate through the cluster, and here we go. So if I am wanting to connect from a client machine, say the laptop that I'm running right now, I would go to connect, and I can say connect to cluster 0. I only have one, so I'm not having to select that. But notice I can connect with the MySQL command line interface, JDBC, Python, Go, and as I change these things, if I say Python, notice it puts the code that I need to connect there. And if I want to actually see it in use, I can say show example usage and it'll give me the code. Perfect. But we're not going to do that in this video. We're going to keep it reasonably short, but we do want to be able to see the thing work. So we'll go up here, click the three dots, go to SQL editor, and we're going to say use gh dev. Make sure we type in correctly, and then show tables. Alrighty. One of the cool things about this is I can highlight the command, hit go, and it'll only run that command. So I can run these commands separately. This means I can have a whole list of commands over here and run them. Perfect. So there we go. The next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that when we're not using our cluster that we bring it down. So I'll go back to the clusters window and say delete. And then I have to type in the name and say I understand the consequences, and I delete the cluster. And that's all there is to it. So I highly recommend going out and getting an account and giving this a try. I think you'll enjoy it. Thank you.